guys, welcome back to Cheers.
Hi, we have a gel nail polish removal video. If you didn't, or if you've watched our
previous at-home nail salon video,
yes,
we'll link it up here.
This is kind of how after you've been wearing it, you want to get it off because it's ratchet. Video for how to remove them at home. So if you'd like to know how to do that, then
just keep watching. Okay, first of all, girls, it's been like 3 weeks since Chanel did my nails for me, so they started getting real ratchet and my thumb started peeling, and then I'm like the type where if it peels a little bit, then you just have to do the entire thing.
Yeah, for sure.
And
Me too.
That was a mistake because now my thumbnail is very brittle and it like broke, and like, I'll show you, look at this. Do you see how ratchet that looks? And if you just like touch it, it's like
rough.
Yeah, super rough and just like damaged, and basically I just have to wait for like a new pair to grow in.
Yeah.
So definitely follow the steps that Chanel will be going through with you guys soon.
For safer removal.
Exactly.
Yeah, for sure. Alright, so the first step to removal, I use like a really coarse nail file. So I just got this one from Sally's. It's Tropical Shine, I think is the brand, and it says washable, disinfectable, and it's really coarse, and that's the coarse. It's coarse 100 is the grit of it, I think that's what you would call it.
Oh, I didn't even know if there were like...
Yeah, there's like finer
levels.
Yeah, so what you want to do is try not to get onto the nails, but just file off the top coat of the gel manicure. So just take your nail file, and it doesn't really matter what direction you go since it's just on top of the nail polish.
This feels so weird.
I know, it feels really like not right. But you just want to file all of that top layer off so that the acetone can soak into the colored layer part of it. It doesn't have to be perfect either. Just try your best to get that first layer off. And I guess like the more you do it, the less there is to remove later. So take your time and make sure you really get all the corners and stuff. All right, so then once you're done with that, you're kind of left with a finger that looks cloudy like that. And even if you wipe it away, it's kind of cloudy still. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that to all the fingers, and then we'll be right back. So we filed all the nails, that's why they look kind of crusty and matte, yeah. So then the next things you'll need are just little squares of tin foil. So you can kind of cut it to however you like. I kind of cut it into a square that's the size of my palm. That's kind of like what I've gotten used to, so I kind of know how much to do. But it's basically to just like wrap the finger up once the nail polish remover's on it. And then just regular cotton balls. And then I don't use one per finger because that would be a lot of nail polish remover and a lot of cotton balls. So what I do is kind of like rip one side, and cotton balls are like rolled up. So once you rip a little bit off, it's easy to like unfold into a big strip of cotton, and it goes a lot further. So I kind of just, and I think it takes like 2 cotton balls to do both hands or something. And then nail polish remover, you want to make sure your nail polish remover has acetone in it. I know they make like non-acetone nail polish removers, but that will not work for gel nail polish. So this is the Onyx Professional nail polish remover, and it's the moisturizing formula. It says lavender. I'm pretty sure that's just the color because it does not smell very good. So yeah, I just use it for this and soak it. Sure, if you use just like 100% acetone, it would work a lot better because this one's like not as strong. So yeah, I'll show you what I do. I just pour a little bit into the lid of the nail polish remover, and I set it to the side, and then rip a little bit of cotton, like enough to cover your nail. So maybe like this much, because once it's wet it gets small. And then I dip it into the nail polish remover, and then lay it onto the nail just like that, and then wrap it up like a gift. So just like that, and then you just kind of go off and do it to every single nail. It's nothing super special. But yeah, you really want to make sure it's saturated though, because if it's not, your nail polish will not budge. So.
And how long do I keep this on for?
15 minutes. Yeah, so you have to keep it on for 15 minutes for it to get absorbed and really soft.
And do you have to do tinfoil, like wrap it up?
You don't have to. I think they make special things now for gel polish remover where like you can fill these little pods with the nail polish remover and stick your finger in it. So they have those as well. This is just like a, you know, everybody has tinfoil and cotton balls at home.
But you have to wrap it up is the point, right?
Yes. If you use this kind of nail polish remover, then yeah, because otherwise you'd have to just stay like this.
I see what you mean. This
at least this one you can
around a little bit.
Yeah. And they do, I really want to try this next. Let me know if you guys are interested because I'm almost out of this nail polish remover. But they make gel acetone remover. Oh. So it would be thicker and I don't think I would need nail polish or cotton balls and tinfoil for it. I could just paint it on or like dip my finger into it. Yeah, so I'm interested in trying that. So if you're interested, you should like this video so I can go get it and review it for you guys. But yeah, so you're just gonna wrap each finger up, and I like to fold the end just so it's nice and tight, and then you wait 15 minutes. I'm gonna do the other hand off camera, and then we'll come back after the 15 minutes are over.
Be right back.
All right, so we've had the nail polish remover on for about 15 minutes, so I'm gonna take them off. It's really easy, they just slip off. And then you just take a tool like this one. There's also ones that come more of like your nail shape, but this is like a nail peeler as well. So there's different types.
So when Chanel checked earlier to see if it was like ripe and ready.
Oh yeah.
What were you looking for to make sure?
You can tell because it'll like flake off pretty easily. So I'm looking for like the edges being lifted, and then you just lightly scrape it off. And if I wouldn't force it though, because when you force it, it gets kind of like your nail as well. So you want to make sure you're being gentle for sure. And then this is a messy process, so as you can see, I'm using a towel underneath. So just make sure, or like you could use newspaper even.
Or paper towel.
Or paper towels, yeah. Or just get ready to clean up the mess. And it doesn't get everything perfectly off, but it's definitely like better care of your nail than ripping it off. Yeah. So you can take your time to kind of scrape everything off, but it comes off pretty easily. Like that. And then if it's like bumpy still, because there's, if you remember from the previous video of the how to put it on, we did put a base coat on and that's clear, so it's hard to feel, you know, when that ends and when your nail begins, and you don't want to scrape off too much, but you can always kind of feel your nail and file off whatever is rough, but most of it does come off with this, and then your nail isn't as damaged. Yeah, and so after you scrape off all the nail polish, you should be left with nails like this, and they don't go back 100% to like what you wanted, because, you know, to put the gel polish on the first place, you have to like file the tops of your nails so it's grittier. So they're not smooth for sure, but it's nothing that like a buffing tool can't fix for you. And you'll notice that like your nails might be a little thinner than when you first started, but it's because we had to file off the top layer, but all the color is gone and safely removed, so it doesn't totally destroy your nails. Okay, so since your nails aren't the smoothest, you can use any buffing tool like this. You can find them at like Sally's or even Target, Walgreens, Walmart, anywhere, even Fred Meyer probably, but it's just a 4-step block. So the first step is to file your nail edge, and then there's remove ridges, smooth your nail, and then shine your nail. So if you just use these on all your nails after removal, it goes pretty much back to normal. So yeah, that will be our next step. I won't show you all of that, but just know that this is something you can add to your removal process that's gonna make your nails look a lot smoother. So yeah, I'm sure Laura can demonstrate it for you. She has one of these.
Yeah. Mine is like 1, 2. It's two-sided and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. But this one's a lot easier because you have more surface area to work with.
And the foam like goes around your nail. Yeah.
So it captures it a bit more.
So yeah.
So, I mean, it feels a lot smoother. It doesn't look the smoothest, but it does feel it.
Yeah, it won't catch on cloth at least.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna go through all of these and then we'll be back for the outro.
Bye. We're back.
Woo! And my nails are finally clean.
Yay.
Thanks, Chanel.
You're welcome.
Welcome back to Chanel's Lawn.
Chanel's Lawn?
Chanel's Lawn?
You said Chanel's Lawn.
Chanel Salon.
Chanel Salon.
Chanel Salon.
Okay, well, yeah. I mean, I'm not a professional, so, you know, take everything I said with a grain of salt.
She's getting her beautician's license, guys. But yeah, those were our at-home steps on how you can not only do your nails at home, which we'll link over here, but also how you can take them off at home.
Yes.
Yep.
So yeah, if you liked this video, give our video a like.
And if you really liked it, then give us a subscribe and ring that bell.
And we hope to see you back next week.
Oh, and we will also link all of the items that we used in today's
down
in the description box below, per usual. But anyways, cheers to a good week, guys.
Bye.
Bye.